Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve WHEA internal error blue screen in Windows 10 computer. So the WHEA internal error is a type of blue screen update BSOD error with the stop code 0x00000122. This error indicates a critical issue within the Windows hardware error architecture, or WHEA, and is often caused by a hardware problems such as a faulty CPU or RAM. It can also be triggered by outdated or corrupted device drivers, system file corruptions, or the issues with the BIOS/UEFI. And then I'll show you possible solutions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable the past startup. And then you need to click here the search menu. And then you need to type this control panel. And then you need to click open. And once you open up here at control panel, then we need to modify by clicking this view by category and then click this arrow and select this large icons to see all settings. And once you open up here, then you need now to select this power options and then click. So here now at power options, then here at left side navigation panel, then you need to select this, choose what the power buttons do and then click. And then on right side, then you need to tap or click this, change settings that are currently unavailable and then click. And then once you click that, then you need to scroll down underneath here at shutdown settings. Then you can see this turn on past startup. So all you have to do is to uncheck this box or disabled. And then you need to click this save changes. Alright, so once you're done here at the power options, and then we need to close. If the error still persists, and the next step that we're going to do is to run the hardware troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run terminal. And once you open up here at run terminal, so here in box, and then you need to type this command keyword msdt.exe space dash id space device diagnostic, and then you need to click OK. And then pop up this hardware and devices to troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. In here at hardware and devices, then you need to tap or click this advanced, and then you need to check this box apply repairs automatically. Once you check this box, and then you need to click this next and wait to complete the detecting problems and initializing diagnostic process. So restart your PC to finish installing drivers and update. So we have this two option here that we need to do. So apply this fix to fix the error, or skip this fix, continue troubleshooting without applying this fix. So we need to tap or click this apply this fix. Then after that, then we need to restart this PC by clicking the power button here at left side corner. So after rebooting or restart your PC, if the error still persists, and the next solution that we're going to do is to fix corrupted system files. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu and then type the CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to tap or click this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then we need to type and enter this command keyword as fc space slash scan now. So slash scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space up system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword as fc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker, or SFC tool, which scan all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And verifications 100% complete. And then we need to close this CMD, and again, we need to restart by clicking the power button here at left side corner. Then click this restart. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.